Hi, here at H.Mitchell car sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2015 Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost Titanium X. This car's finished in Panther Black metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured styling kit, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim along the tops of the doors, rear spoiler, rear privacy glass. We've got the 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear side. Inside the car you've got the part leather and cloth check trim. These are sports seats as well in this car. You've got the white stitching. Chrome threshold plates. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving on to the back of the car, we've got the rear parking sensors. Rear camera. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. You've got the removable shelf, so this increases the load capacity of the car. And this car is also fitted with the space saver spare wheel. Moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows on the front. This car's also got electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. So this car's done 43,955 miles. On the centre console you've got a USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, heated front seats, climate control. So you've got the Sony stereo that's got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations, CD player. You've got the navigation system, but this requires an SD card. Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting phone calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Control on the other side for the cruise control. Moving outside the car, you've got the identification plate that tells it's the Ford Fiesta Titanium X 1 litre EcoBoost, and this is the Euro 5 engine. Moving forward, the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.